Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we are going to have part 2 of my review from DPClubs. So we have 2 stamped cross stitches and we'll start with the first one. So give me a sec. All right, I am back. Okay, so we have a bouquet of beautiful, beautiful flowers. It looks like hydrangeas over here, and roses, and some pink hydrangeas. Maybe even some lilies of the valley back there. I don't know what them little blues ones are. But very, very pretty. It is from DIY Cross Stitch. And was $10.79, and it is a 46 by 50. Whoa. So let's get this out. There are 2 needles right here. Let's see if I can get everything out of the way. My goodness. Okay, it does have a paper pattern, which is minute. I usually say tiny, but this one is minute. They could have done a better job on that. It does have 25 colors, and it has a color schematic running down the side. It's very easy to see. Product number 46 by 50. It's 155 by 173. So it's not too terribly big. But dang, could they have made that any smaller? Holy cow. Some days DIY just kills me. Oh, forgot to tell you what the colors were. Sorry. Okay, so it has 154 mulberry, 550 purple. There's no 310 black. It does have 823 in it, which is a dark blue. No 939. No 3. Oh, it does have 3371, which is the dark brown, and 3865 for the white. Now we can look at the colors. Sorry. There's quite a bit of thread here. Good gravy. There's your mulberry right here. And your 550 purple, so there's not much of it. And nice whitish color. Not sure what color that is. You only have 1 strand. That's suspicious as heck. Oh, where is it? Number 8. That's kind of odd. I don't know. Number 8. Wow. Maybe there's just not that much of it. Okay. We'll check that out, but it just looks suspicious all by itself. There is that other dark blue next to it, so we'll see. Beautiful colors, though. Look at that green with that pink. Oh, can you ever? Yep, and then we have a little baby pink. And 6 is 762. Never heard of it, but it looks like white to me. Kind of odd. Kind of odd. But we'll check it out. We're looking for number 8 symbol. I want to see how many there are of them. Hang on. Let me put that up there. Pull out the canvas. Oh my goodness. Look at all that checkerboard going on down there. It is very nicely printed. I want to see. Well, I guess there isn't that much of it. There's just a few tad right here. A few tad right there. A few right. They're just sprinkled. Like 1, 2, 3. So I guess it's not going to take more than that. Okay. It just looked awfully suspicious. Okay, it does have the product number, how big it is, and 155 by 173. I'm trying not to lose the needles. But it's nicely balanced. It doesn't have a lot of big, huge area. I mean, there's a big, huge area going along here, but there's 2 symbols in there. So all your definition will be right, kind of centered, because the background's kind of nondescript. Let's measure it. Let's see what it measures. Now, it does have a salvage edge here at the top. I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so we got 51 centimeters. What I was going to say is, when they have a salvage edge, they kind of give you a little bit of extra material at the, top, bottom, wherever the salvage is at. Okay, so it's 44 centimeters or 17 1/4 inches. Actual picture size is 13 3/4 inches by 35 centimeters. Going this way, it's a little over 15.5 inches or 39.5 centimeters. So it's a nice size. So I think it'll be fine with the 25 colors. So we'll just have to see. I do love stitching flowers. They're just so beautiful. So beautiful. And when they get all the shading in there and get that right, hey, it's just awesome. All right. So, be right back. Okay, I am back. Got it out of its crinkle bag. And this one is a 50 by 50, and it was $12.79. Can you ever? Beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Product number 50 by 50. It's 191 by 191. We'll see. And let's open it up. Oh, nice big pattern compared to that last one. It does have instructions on the paper pattern. Let's check the paper pattern. Very nicely done. 37 colors. Oh my goodness. And it's square. Yeah. I've seen they have 2 or 3 of these, in various color shades and everything else, but I just love this. I love that teal look with the orange. It's just gorgeous. I'm trying to get everything out of my way. This is kind of tiny, but it is readable. Paper pattern will match the canvas for both these kits. Let's see. We have 310 black. No 550 purple, of course. No 666 red. We have 823 and 939. We also have 3371, which is the dark brown. Looking. And we do not have any 3865. Kind of a antique looking picture, so you're going to have your creams. Yeah. And your tans, kind of a antique look. I don't know what else to call it. And it does have the colors running down the side. So if you're looking for a specific color, you kind of know what's going on. But very nicely done. Now this one is done like another one I got. I thought it was a new, company, but they put all the information up here instead of at the bottom. So very nice pattern, gorgeous. Okay, does come with a toolkit. We have the little bird. We have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. And the thread bag does have a sticker, 50 by 50, and the product number, so that everything matches, and they are on the thread drops. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. That's a little wad of thread, but they seem to be beautiful colors. Look at those reds. Surprised there's none of my other reds. That, you know, that I'm used to. You even have kind of a dark coral, but you have that beautiful teal colors in there. Just gorgeous. Look at that one. Isn't that stunning? Ah, let me give it a good shake so I can fan them out. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. I just love the color scheme of this. It's just beyond. You even have kind of pale green. Just real antique-y looking. But look at that red. My goodness, what color is that? 606? Nope. 817 for that beautiful, bright red. Beautiful. They're starting to put different reds in things that I've just never seen before in kits. But gorgeous. Look at that lemon yellow. Lemon. Yep. Peaches. Just, can't get over that teal. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Be right back. Okay, I am back. Trying to save you the crinkle. Let's take a look at the canvas and see what it's about. Holy cow. That is a lot of number 25. 951. Color number not familiar with. Beautiful flowers. Just absolutely gorgeous. Very well done. Very nicely printed. Trying to hold it as still as possible. Very easy to see. Very nice. It's going to have a little bit of confetti here and there. But, yeah, not nearly as bad as some I've had. Believe me. Trying to move everything out of my way. Let's see if we can measure this. It is serged all the way around very nicely. The last one was not serged, if I didn't tell you that. Looking at the stitching. Stitching does not interfere with the numbers on this side at all. They're very clear and easy to see. Let's see how big it is. All right. It is almost 19 3/4 or 50 centimeters by, trying to make sure I get it to the top, 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches. Actual picture size is 17 1/4 or 43.5 by 43.5 or 17 1/4. So the picture is totally square. Very nice. Very nicely done. Nice, soft, smooth canvas. Now the first one was not as smooth as this. This is very nicely done. And fairly thick. But this is a very nice size. I like 40 by 50, 40 by 40, 40 by, or 50 by 50. That size is a nice, easy, manageable look. But yeah, oh, I can hardly wait to start this. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. All right. So, that is all that I received from DPClubs this week and last. Now, thank you, DPClubs, for beautiful kits and that lovely needle minder. Gorgeous. DPClubs has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all those. They have a lovely selection. They even have a separate Joy Sunday section. And I'm sure with Christmas coming on, they'll have a separate Christmas section for diamond painting and cross stitch. So do check them out. If they have any specials, I will put them in the description below. I do have a discount code. It'll be in the beginning of this video, and it will, the discount code, if you miss it, will be in the description box as well. So do check them out. They always have a lot to offer, and their prices are absolutely wonderful. And there should be lots of specials and sales going on this time of year, gearing up for Christmas and getting stuff. So order now. Get it way before Christmas if you're planning on giving them as gifts. I mean, I've given diamond painting gifts, to my kids for Christmas. And they love them, they just love diamond painting, and don't make it too big, don't go grandma, and go big or go home. That would just send them right over the edge. But yeah, so they like the 30 by 30s. They like special drill stuff. They like the extra little crafty kind of stuff. So they have all this. Do check them out. Thank you once again, DP Clubs. Thank you everyone for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.